Hey everyone, hope you guys are having a good week and everyone stayed nice and warm and safe during our ice storm we had last week. Just wanted to update you on where we are in the class and what we're doing this week, and then also what we have coming up starting next week. So this is the third week of Unit 1. And we will be wrapping up our discussion of the tensions that we've been talking about and also a final analysis of our case. And then next week, we're going to be moving into more individual roles within professional communication. So we'll build on what we've already learned about our tensions and the axioms of communication. And we're going to look at it as it relates to leadership and also as an individual contributor role. So we really only have this week, and then next week we start Unit 2, and we have 3 weeks of that, and then the class is over. So these 7-week classes go by very quickly. Thank you so much for keeping up with your work. You're turning things in on a timely manner. I will have all grading updated by Thursday of this week. So let's take a look at what we'll be focused on for this week. We are going to still look at those 9 axioms of communication. So we're going to revisit those. And then also I have posted 3 documents about tips for collaboration, transparency, and upward communication. These are very specific tips. I know that in the previous case study analysis from last week that you're turning in today, actually, you guys made some recommendations. Well, these are the actual tips that go with these communication tensions. And so what I'd like for you to do is take another look at that case study, and we're going to do 2 things. So you're going to take on the role of consultant. So you get to tell Kathy what you think she should do as it relates to the tensions that are found within this organizational culture, and also which of the 9 axioms she's experiencing in this culture. So in your writing for this week, what I would like for you to do is identify 2 of the communication axioms that Kathy is facing in her new role, and explain how it relates to the culture at Third Bank. So you can pick 2 of those, there's 9, and just explain how it exemplifies or relates to what she's experiencing and the change that she needs to create. And then we're going to take each of those communication tensions and provide 1 recommendation based on the readings from this week. So you'll have a recommendation for transparency, for upward communication, and then also for collaboration. And you'll provide the readings that you have give very specific things that you can do. So you'll pick 1 of those strategies and apply it to Kathy's situation. Don't just say something like, oh, to get upward communication, you just need a suggestion box. There's so much more to it than just putting a suggestion box out there, and the readings go over that. So make sure that when you provide your recommendation, that you provide some rationale for it. Why do you think it would work in the culture that she's in? And then also, what would your anticipated outcome be? So if Kathy uses that recommendation, what could she expect to see happen? So those are the 2 things you need to answer in relation to the case study. This is the only assignment that we have this week. So really take some time to do the readings and revisit, some of the previous readings. And then this will actually be due on Tuesday, February 15th. So you have a week to do that. And then I'll start posting early next week for the last couple of sections, the last unit of the semester. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm happy to visit with you. I may try to get a Zoom meeting scheduled for one day late next week, so that if those of you that want to meet face-to-face, we can. And if you want to talk about some of the content or anything else related to professional communication that you want to talk about. So I'll post that once I can get a Zoom link for us and then figure out a time that might work. So you guys have a great week. Don't hesitate to reach out if you need anything. And thank you so much for all of your hard work.